my channel. I am Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada. In today's video, I am going to be comparing two brow products, and these are both from Plume, which is a natural Canadian brand of lash and brow products, and they basically use natural and organic ingredients, and all of their products actually help your lashes and brows grow in fuller, thicker, and longer. Now, I've been using some of their products for years. They work really well. They are the kind that you have to consistently use to see growth over time. So like once you stop using it, your lashes will stop growing as much as they were while you were using it. So it's not a one-time cure. It's something that you have to use all the time. So that's why I like that. Aside from having a lash enhancing serum or lash and brow serum, they have cosmetic products with the same ingredients in there so that your makeup actually helps your lashes and brows grow in. So the two products I'm going to be talking about today are their pomade, which is the original brow pomade that I have been using for like 2 years now, and then this newly launched brow pencil. So I'm going to put one on each brow so that you can see the difference. I tend to prefer brow pencils over pomades because I just think they look a little more natural, and I don't like that very like harsh perfect brow look, although I know some people do. So if you do, you'll probably prefer the pomade over the pencil. I just think the pencil gives a softer, more natural look, and that's usually what I go for. So I really like the pencil, but I'm gonna share how both of these look with you. So the pomade comes in, I believe it's 6 shades, and it comes with this little pencil, comes with a brush. So you've got the applicator, and then you've got the spoolie brush to kind of fan it out. So I use the shade Cinnamon Cashmere, which is second to the darkest shade. The darkest shade is basically black, and this is like their dark brown that they have. So I'm just going to brush my brows, and I am, aside from doing my brows all the time, I'm pretty low maintenance. I barely trim them. I don't go and get them waxed or anything because I'm just lazy. So I'm just gonna lightly tap it in like twice. It doesn't get a lot of product on there. And then I'm just gonna use strokes to apply it. And actually I didn't get any on there, so I'm gonna, oh, here we go. Okay, now I got product on there. So I'm just gonna use these strokes like this to apply it on and fill in any gaps that I have. So you can already tell right from here to here how much more filled in it looks. And I really like this brush. I think it applies very well. And as I'm applying, if I ever get it like on the outside, like I make a mistake, I go too far out, I just wipe it off very easily with my finger with a Q-tip. It's pretty forgiving. Okay, and then I just use the brush, the spoolie brush, to kind of fan it out. So I didn't apply a lot of product because I don't like a lot. Like I said, I like it to look more natural, more like bushy. And it's a little more difficult to get that look with this, but with the spoolie brush, here you go. And I don't really have a very well-shaped brow, so that doesn't help. All right, now I'm gonna use the pencil. And one thing I love about this pencil is, aside from the fact that it's a twist up and it has a spoolie brush on one and it's refillable. So I love that. Lots less waste. Having trouble with words today. Okay, so this one, what I noticed is that it looks like a lighter color on me. And I'm using the same kind of strokes here, just like naturally where my, see, I made a mistake. Where my brows are, I'm not really outlining, like going out. I don't like doing that. So I'm just filling in what's already there. And to me, this looks a little lighter in color, like a lighter brown than the pomade does. So it's not, even though it's the same color, it's also cinnamon, what is it? Cinnamon Cashmere. But it does look lighter, it looks more brown. Okay, so as you can see, This is a little bit lighter, and it's not, I'm not talking about the shade, just like filled in. Like this is a little more like boom, whereas even though I applied a bunch, this one's a little more natural looking, so I just prefer that. But you can see that they both go on easily, quickly, have good coverage, they blend very well, and they last all day. I mean, if you like wipe, you'll take some of it off. It's not permanent, but it is just randomly start coming off throughout the day without reason. Okay, there we go. So pomade on one side and pencil on the other side. All right, so I prefer the pencil. I don't know how well you can see in the video the difference, but I just like the softer, more natural look, and it to me is a little easier to apply than using the pomade on this brush. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys. Both products are great. I have a coupon code for you listed in the description below. Any orders over $50, you get 35% off. And yeah, if you're interested in the product, go ahead and check them out, linked below. I really love this brand. I've been using their products for years, and especially one of my favorite products of theirs is their Lash Curler. Love this thing. So you can go ahead and check that out in the link below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.